Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have the Decerk and it is a mini cordless chainsaw. So we're gonna open this thing up and check it out here. Let me open it up. I'm gonna throw the garbage over here so we don't make too much of a mess. Okay, so back here, and this is what it looks like here. So let's open it up. It comes with a nice storage box, which is always good. And this is the device here. If I can open it, let's see this. Look at that way in there, and check it out. So inside of it, we have some instructions, some gloves. That's nice. Looks like we got two batteries. It comes with an extra battery, the battery charger right there. We have the saw. We have some safety goggles. I guess this is going to be for the oil. Comes with an extra chain. There's already a chain on it. I see right here. And the extra chain also has an extra one of these things here. I don't know what that's called. So let's go ahead and put a battery in here and see what this thing does. 1 second. So this goes like that. I don't know. Is there any? Oh, it looks like it is charged already. So that's kind of nice. So there. So this is going to be it. Whoa, that's going to be quite a heavy-duty chainsaw. So that is really cool looking, and it looks like it's got adjustments here to just tighten up the saw blade and whatnot. But let's go ahead, and here's where the oil is going to go up there. But let's go ahead and give this thing a shot. I'll be right back and show you guys it in use. Okay, and here we are in the woods with our little chainsaw. Woo! This thing is wild, man. This thing would probably chop off a huge limb, but I'm going to try it here on the dead limb of one of these trees here and see what happens. Whoa! This is crazy, man. I don't know if you can see. Watch what happens when I cut this. Just cuts right through. Cuts right through all that dead stuff. Very cool, very nice, very sharp, really nice. So this is cool. This is Decerk. Definitely pick up one of these things if you need to do a little bit of trimming some dead branches and whatnot. So super cool, thumbs up.